Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about consolidating of data. This is also a very amazing feature of MS Excel. So let's get started. First of all, we need to know that what is the meaning of consolidating, or you can say consolidation. So simply it means to combine the data, we can say consolidating a data. So this is a very useful feature. If in any need, if we want to use, if we want to combine multiple worksheet in a single worksheet, so in this case we can use this feature. So consolidating helps in combining the data of multiple worksheets. Whatever worksheets you want to create, you can, and you can combine data of various ranges either in the same sheet or in different sheets also. Okay, so let me show you with an example. So for that, I have created here three sheets, as you can see: sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. So what I did here, I have just created these three sheets and I have grouped these three sheets. Okay, I have grouped, and after grouping, I have created this small database. For an example, I am showing you. And in sheet 3, what I did, I have changed the heading, column heading of this sheet, and I have written here consolidating, and the previous name, that is first quarter sales, and I am combining here of sheet 1 and sheet 2. Like in sheet 1, this is about first quarter sales 2016. Okay, and in sheet 2, first quarter sales of 2017. And in sheet 3, what are we gonna do? We'll combine these data, that is, that's why I have written 2016 to 17, or you can say and 17. Okay, so that's how I have created this. And if you missed my previous video in which I have explained how to group worksheet and how can we work there, so you can watch it first, then you will get to know in better way. I have given that link in my description box, so you can check from there. Okay, then now come to the point. So I have created this database, and let me show you how to consolidate, right? So for that, where you want to paste, you have to put your cursor over there, like in this cell number B6. Okay. After putting my cursor here, I will click on the data tab. This is here. After clicking on data tab, I will click on this consolidate option you can see in tools group. Right, here is a data tools group, and you will find consolidate option. You have to just click here. After clicking here, you can see here is the function. By default it is sum. You can change here according to your need also, but here what I wanna do, I just want to sum of my sale of 2016 and 2017. So I will just click here on sum. That is already selected. Okay, and in reference box option, you can see here reference box option. In the last of this box, you will find this kinds of option button. You have to just click here, and then you will get these kinds of option. You have to just now click on sheet 1. Okay, after clicking here, you wanna sum na, like I wanna show you some of this tool data. So I will just click here from B6 to D11. I will select this whole data. Just a second. Yes. Right now, I have selected from B6 to D11. Okay. After selecting, I will click here. After clicking there, I have to click on this add button, because when I will click on this add button now, then this reference link, reference ID will be selected in my all reference area. So I have to click here. Okay, this is already selected because it is showing cannot add duplicate source reference, so it is already selected like I have already did. तो यहाँ पे ये reference में already sheet 1 and sheet 2 आ चुका है. Okay, तो I will just put OK button. तो यहाँ पे ये आ गया. I have already created, I have already clicked there, that's why वहाँ पे वो duplicate नहीं लिया. आप दूसरा कोई database बनाकर अगर वापस से same steps follow करोगे तो आपको वैसा option वहाँ पे दिखेगा. You have to just click there, you have to click on the add button and the cell reference will be automatically added in all reference text box. Okay, and then again if you want to add some another data, so again you have to click on the reference text box again, and then like you want to add from sheet 2, so you will select from here. Okay, after clicking you have to again click on the add button, and like if you feel that you have done, then you have to click on OK button in consolidate data box like this one. Wait, let me show you again, don't confuse. This is consolidate data box. So this is dialog box appears now. You have to see now here sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, these are already selected here in all reference text ना. That's why अगर मैं इसको फिर से यहाँ पे जा करके लाके यहाँ पे reference में डालूंगी तो वो तो सेम हो जाएगा ना, क्योंकि ये सारा सेम sheet 1 का है और ये sheet 2 तो ये ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे आया हुआ है, इसलिए वो वहां से डुप्लीकेट डेटा को कॉपी नहीं किया. अगर आप कोई नया डेटा लेकर के करोगे ना तो वो हो जाएगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद बस आपको ओके कर देना है और आपका डेटा वहां पे क्या हो जाएगा, कंबाइन हो जाएगा. यानी कि यहाँ पे फंक्शन कौन सा कर रहा है, सम है ना. वी हैव सिलेक्टेड सम हियर. तो आपको यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करना है, यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व. सी इन 2016 ईयर, इसे मैं बंद कर दे रही हूँ वरना यहाँ पे ये कॉपी हो रहा है, राइट. तो लेट मी क्लोज दिस. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी in sheet 1 what I did, I have given the data of the year 2016 है ना, in which I have shown first quarter sales 2016 and the data of Jan is 450 of Honda City. These all are model names of cars, right. And Accent 200, Steam 1000. As you, I am just showing you, you have to observe the changes. Okay, so in sheet 1 this is showing only the particular year of 2016 of these particular months, and in sheet 2 you have to see the some changes, right. This is vary from the sheet 1 because this is of the data of year 2017, and in sheet 3 like you can see Honda City in Jan of 2016 it sold up to 458, and in 2017 450. So if you will sum 450 and 458, what will you get, you will get 908, right. तो अगर आपको इसका सम चाहिए होगा, इसका कॉम्बिनेशन, तो यहाँ पे आपको एक एक करके या करके ऐड नहीं करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन यूज हेयर कंसोलिडेटिंग डेटा. सो इन दिस केस यू कैन यूज इन वेरी इफेक्टिव वे, राइट. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट रिजल्ट, राइट, लाइक मुझे जैसे अभी जो 12th का रिजल्ट आया उसमें क्या किया गया, 10th 11th 12th सबको कंबाइन किया गया है ना. तो उसमें अगर एक एक करके जाके सबको ऐड किया जाएगा तो इट विल बी क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट, नो. सो here also we can use what, consolidating data. सारे डेटा को मतलब मैंने अलग अलग शीट्स बना करके उसको ग्रुप करके क्रिएट कर लिया जाएगा. ग्रुपिंग ऑफ वर्कशीट से कॉमन डेटा भी इंटर साइमल्टेनियसली हो जाएंगे, आपको अलग से क्रिएट भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू क्रिएट द सेम फॉर्मेट तो यू कैन क्रिएट बाय क्रिएटिंग ग्रुपिंग, राइट. अगर आपको डेटा अलग डालना है तो वो आप अलग अलग डाल सकते हो, लेकिन फॉर्मेट तो एक साथ सबका बन जाएगा ग्रुपिंग वाला वर्कशीट करके, राइट. और अगर अब आपको कंसोलिडेट नहीं करना, सबको कंबाइन करना, एक फाइनल रिजल्ट निकालना है, तो वहां पे हम लोग ये कंसोलिडेटिंग फीचर को यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट. सो लेट मी जस्ट रिकॉल इट वट एवर आई हैव टोल्ड जस्ट नाउ. You have to first of all, what you have to do, you have to create multiple worksheet. If you want to create in multiple worksheet, so you have to create sheets and then you have to group these sheets, then you will enter some data according to your need, right? After that, where you want to paste, you have to observe this, of course. So if I want to, like I wanted to paste here na in sheet 3, so I have placed my cursor here, and then you have to go on data tab, then you will get consolidate option in the data tools group. After clicking here, you will get this dialog box, this kind of dialog box, and you have to click select. If it is not selected sum here, then you have to select sum. If you want to sum, right? If you want to count, then you will click on count. If you want to average, then you will click on average. So this is according to you, this is all up to you. So एंड इन रेफरेंस यू हैव टू क्लिक हियर. अब रेफरेंस तो मतलब ही यही होता है जहाँ से रेफरेंस आपको लेना है, जहाँ के डेटा को आपको कंबाइन करना है. तो अगर मुझे शीट 1 में जाना होगा तो मैं वहाँ जाके कंबाइन करूँगी. अगर मुझे शीट 4 में मेरा कोई डेटा है, मैं वहाँ जितने से जितने डेटा को मुझे सिलेक्ट करना है उसको मैं सिलेक्ट करूँगी. यहाँ पे मैं ऐड पे क्लिक कर दूँगी. सो लाइकवाइज यू हैव टू डू इट. I hope it is clear to all of you. Still, if you feel any kind of doubt, you can ask me in comment section. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.